Looks like Sexton made a mistake again. He's giving it his all to make this undefeated little run that Jet has. He's giving it all to stop that. So yeah, let's go back to watching this.
Well, this will be you before you know it. So study up, and we'll see you at Washougal next weekend.
I got a taste of this class, so next year full time.
So that right there was Justin Cooper in his little after interview, basically confirming that next year he's going to be racing a 450 full time. And as far as we've all heard, or I've read at least for the rumors, it was going to be 250 with some 450 fill-ins or whatever it is. So this is kind of either a slip of the cheek, maybe him just being like, hey, guess what, I'm actually doing it, but who knows? If you want to watch the full interview, I'll leave it at the end of the video so you can actually listen to the whole thing, but it kind of is a little sneaky, oops, look at me, I'm going to be racing 450. And the question becomes, for what team? Because obviously the rumor is that Cooper Webb and Eli Tomac are going to be on the 450 Yamaha team. So are they going to be racing 3 bikes, or is he going to a different team? Who knows? In the comments below, I want to hear your opinion. Do you think he stays on Yamaha and they run 3 bikes? Do you think he's got a different deal set up for a different brand, or maybe, you know, a Club MX or something like that, like a different Yamaha? Or who knows? In the comments below, I want to hear it. Tell me your opinion. What is he doing next year? What teams is he going to be riding for? What bike is he going to be riding on? What color? And as you're down there, you know, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. Like, share, subscribe, do all those fun things, and comment, again, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.
I think, yeah, Hunter was riding a good pace, and wouldn't say settling, but I was definitely trying to keep the gap the way it was in case that did happen. And yeah, saw yellow flags out, and what do you know? Got gifted that one, but yeah, we'll take it. Felt like I rode a lot better in that second moto, just lacked some intensity in Moto 1, so yeah, now we're watching some 450 racing. Looks like Sexton made a mistake again. He's giving it his all to make this undefeated little run that Jet has. He's giving it all to stop that. So yeah, let's go back to watching this.
Well, this will be you before you know it.
We'll rest up, get ready for Washougal, and hopefully